Hi guys, in this video we're gonna learn about Chroma Key, aka green screen. We're gonna go through what is it, why you should use it, and how to use it. The reason I'm doing the video with the puppy here because he won't stop crying if I let him go. So I'm gonna hold my puppy like this through my whole video. Hope you guys can understand that. Who uses chroma keys? Movie producers. They often use chroma keys to create all kinds of special effects. What you see in a movie is actors standing in a film set doing their act with props all around them and also green screen all around the background. What they do is they add the sky or whatever background suitable for the movie afterwards. Also in music videos, when you see people singing, the singer and the dancer in the same space, normally they actually not in the same space. The singer will be in their own rooms with green screen all around them, and the dancer and the singer will react to the video afterwards. And also in weather reporting, or the weather reporter are standing in front of a green screen and the background is added to the weather report live. Also, who else is use chroma keys? Everyday video blogger like us. Now people use chroma key to change, to make all kinds of background they want, to make their video look more interesting, even record or live. That doesn't matter. And the reason I'm making this video today about chroma key is because now this technology and this technique is accessible and available through smartphone. So before we get into the why and the how, let's start with what chroma key actually is. Chroma key, aka green screen, it's a visual effect of layering or compositing two images together using colors. Technically, the color doesn't have to be green, it can be blue and other colors. But the reason that green is really popular is because this green color is not commonly found in a lot of color, and also it's not found in people's skin tone. So if you're gonna use chroma key, make sure that don't wear a green t-shirt or a blue t-shirt. Otherwise, you're gonna look really funny. Have I owned a green t-shirt before? Yes, you have. Now, let's get into why you should use chroma key. Because this technology is really accessible, if you want to set up a home studio, all you need to do is just go to the store and buy some fabric with the color green or blue, just hang it behind you on the wall, and after that you can be in anywhere you want. You can be on the mountain, on the beach, in the forest, in the city, or even outer space. Other than that, there's tons video elements on the internet you can download to add to your video. As long as they have a green background, you can do anything you want. For example, this cat, it's got a green background, and you can add this cat to any video you want. And also, this TV screen in the video has a green screen on the TV. You can add anything to the TV screen in the video, anything you want. So this is just a video editing skills, options. It's a really area to get into if you want to improve your video editing skills. And the last is how to use chroma key. What you need is a video editor has a chroma key feature in the application. And if you are using a Mac, there's an application called iMovie. It's free. It has chroma key feature. Also, if you are using a PC, there's a program called ZS4 Video Editor. It has chroma key in it. It's for PC, also for Mac. Also, Lightworks, also another application that has chroma key feature. It's available for Mac and Windows, and also Linux. And the last, if you using a smartphone, there's an application called KineMaster. It's available on Android, Chrome OS, iOS. And the last is my favorite video editor. It has chroma key feature. So let me show you how to use it. Now, once you open Video Leap, I can tap the plus button and tap stock. So what we got here is the video samples that you have to pay for. And the other side, you got the video samples that are free. So of course, the video samples that you have to pay for are in a better quality. So I'm gonna choose this city. It's New York City, I believe. Yeah, it is. And then I'm gonna find another image with another video with a green background to lay on top of this video. I will tap mixer and I will search green background. I will choose this guy. So now I will move this image a little bit down a little bit, and then I will tap chroma. And then now this circle is the color dropper or the picker. So I'm gonna move the picker to the color that I want to remove. I'll move the picker onto the green color. Now, as you can see, the green is removed. The guy is a little bit transparent. So what I can do is I will just reduce in the intensity a little bit. Now, he's standing in front of the New York City street. How cool is that? I'm gonna show you another sample here, but I need to remove this guy. And then I will search TV. So now this TV has green screen. I will pull it here and then adjust the size. So now I tap on the video of the city. I will shrink the size of this video to somewhere similar to the screen of the TV. And the same, I will tap chroma and then tap on the green color. As you can see now, the green color is removed, but with a little bit green lines on the edge of the screen. So I'm gonna adjust the intensity to make the green lines go away. Now it's done. So it's really simple to use Chroma Key as long as you have the right program. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumb up and also be sure to subscribe to my channel so I can make more video for you guys. That's it for today, and I hope to see you guys next week.